The kingdom of darkness made you believe participating in the heathens' traditions and holidays is not hurting anyone. In addition, you are innocent from any wrongdoing. You are passing down generational curses to your children because the heathens' traditions are the iniquity of their fathers. Iniquity travel from one generation to the next. Instead of helping your children, you are cursing your children. There is nothing innocent about idolatry, a sin the Most High hates. Israelites and indigenous black people, let go of the man-made gods of wood and stones. The heathen's tradition does not add value to your life, nor does it secure a place for you in the coming kingdom of the Most High. The gods you are serving by observing their traditions and holidays, their final place is the lake of fire.